What? What do you want now? You want me to come inside with you? Yeah? It's so nice out here. Come, Mom. Want a hug? Want a hug? What do you want? Why you got your nose in my face? What do you want? Carrots? Yes? We'll play the carrot game? Today? Do you want to go see Grandma? We can go see Grandma later today. Maybe afterwards we can go do something. Yeah, maybe we can go do something a little bit later. Yeah? Do you think you want to come with me to the store? Yeah? You want to come with me to the store? Okay. Yeah. Or do you want a hug? You want a hug? You want a hug? Good morning. Good morning. What do you need? Are you going to talk to me? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Aww. I love you. I love you. Why are you so cute? You want to go outside? No. Do you want a hug? You want a hug? Oh, is that what it is? You want a hug? Oh, somebody wants a hug. Okay, I'll give you a hug. Do you want me to give you a hug? What? What do you need? Are you hungry? So, I have to go to the doctor. Then we'll go to Home Depot when I get back. And then we'll go to Pet Supplies Plus. And then we'll go for a hike in the woods. Okay? But after I come back. Okay? Yeah. You hear something? You're trying to tell me. Okay, I'll go look. Thank you. You're talking to me? Hello? 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 Do you want to go out? You need some water? So cute. You want a hug? You do want a hug. Are you looking for Grandma? You want Grandma to come back? Yeah. Grandma will be back with Doris in a minute. I know you're concerned about Grandma. It's hard for you to do your job when she's not here, isn't it? You want a little more food? Huh? Yes. A little more food. Oh, okay. I'll give you a little more food. What do you want? It's not time yet. No, it's not time yet. Can you wait for a few minutes? You want food? Can you say food? You're cute, Ruby. You're so cute.